It's moving day here at old Sneelock's workshop. No, not the workshop itself. Upstairs. I've got a desk that we want to move from the spare bedroom out to the dining room. Now the desk is old and it's heavy, so I'm going to use the Dolly. But there's a little problem. The Dolly's just a little bit too short. So I need to put some boards on top of it to adjust for the height. And while I was at it, I thought, let's do this permanent. I'm tired of juggling these 2x4s. This is a little pallet cart. Great for moving furniture. But the problem that I'm running into is when I'm moving a desk, the desk is quite often higher off the floor than what this little pallet cart is. And I can pile stuff on top of it, and I've done that. But then when you try and move it, it tends to just kind of shimmy all over the place. So, I've attached these 2x4s to the top of it, and I'll show you how I did it. You need to make the platform a little longer and a little higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a couple of 2x4s like so. So I'm going to drill these so that they can be moved. 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put a hole in each corner. Just have to take my 2x4s, set them here on the bench, line them up, drop a screw through the hole, run it in. And do the same on the other side. And there. Now we're taller and longer. Now I can hear you in the back. I'm listening. What if I don't need it that high? And I set the 2x4 this way, and it's about 3/4 of an inch shorter, or I lay it like that, and now it's just about an inch higher than what it was. Or I lay it like this, it's about 1.5 inches higher than what it was. So this is going to let me do a lot of things here. But for today's job, I need to have it this tall. Exactly. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.